Well, hello, friends, and I should say good morning. I'm popping in here to have a busy day in my planner. I am starting my morning off nice and slow. I like to grab my laptop and check YouTube comments, grab a ginormous cup of coffee, computer open, coffee in hand. I like to just ease into my day before things ramp up. This weekend, as you can kind of see from the aftermath, was one of those weekends where I really didn't get organized and set up and streamlined before Monday morning hit. So I really need to take this time to really hone in on what needs to happen. Kind of a rainy day today. I like to use this quiet little window to check in with myself, check in with my planner, especially before everyone needs me or needs something from me. Always starting my day off with some scripting. There's really nothing like it. It really sets the tone for the day. I know today's going to be a full one. Lots going on, a lot of expectations on what my planner's supposed to look like. So taking this time to script is one of the happy parts. Just listening to my fountain pen scratch on my paper, getting my thoughts out, my expectations, things I want, things I wish for, all down on paper just for me. Well, coffee has been consumed, at least most of it. It is about 8 o'clock. Boy, time flies. Just feels so dark and dreary because of the rain. I sound so tired. I actually slept pretty well. I finished scripting for today. No actionable items, so no highlighter needed. Highlighter needed. Yeah, it's 8. It's 8. I should be able to talk. Feel a lot better in my space. Even though I haven't set up my week, let's go ahead and talk about what is on my planner plate today. So I did end up putting a few things here on my list. I think this was Saturday afternoon. I was starting to think about what I wanted to do this week. And so I got that squared away. And I'm so thankful I finally made a new stencil. So that is here in the front of my planner, because those janky check boxes were just terrible. So for writing and my scripting, I usually use a fountain pen. It flows really well on the Planner Perfect paper, and I don't have any smearing problems that I do when I use the Cocoa Daisy inserts with a fountain pen. I still do use it on occasion accidentally. You can see from times past, like this. So this would be a Sharpie pen, and this is my Lamy. So I do kind of use that every now and again, but for the most part, I really like to use my Sharpie pen in the stripe pages for sure, and then even on my weekly pages. So let's get our planner all set up for the week, setting up for success. Let's go. This is where the fun happens. Love this part. I'm having trouble delineating between work and home, a divider between the two, because if I try to do more than I should do, I don't get anything done in the other department. So if I work too much, I don't get any of my home stuff done. So we are gonna make a line in the sand, so to speak. Add some washi, and let's do work. But I also know that I do have a hair appointment at between 2 and 4. So I wanna be able to do something while I've got about half an hour. So what can I do in that half hour at my hair appointment to make that time useful. I could do something, I could just relax, I could scroll. I'm actually going to, at hair appointment, I'm thinking about my Patreon group and work on some engagement ideas, maybe write some down. I do have a spot here in my planner for my Patreon group, so I will do that during my hair appointment. So that time is useful, fun, and productive, for sure. Okay, now it is officially 8:10. That took 10 minutes for me to just kind of sort out my whole entire day, and I feel so much better and get all packed up. I tend to travel really light with my planner, and now you understand like when I work on projects like this back pocket where I can put stickers. That's why, because I would just want to throw this in my bag and be done. So I put my stickers in that back pocket. I don't have a whole lot left from this kit. I also grab the pen that I use for planning and I throw that in the middle of my notebook, and then I close it up. That doesn't come, but this is my on the go, the whole thing. I've got everything at my fingertips. So whenever I need to, I can just write something down and I'm good to go. Another time saver, I put up my workout clothes when I was folding laundry yesterday, and now I can get dressed in a quick flash because it's already 9:15 and I gotta leave in 15. All right, it is about 1:35. I've had, you know how this goes. You have the perfect day planned out and it's completely changes up. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to, well, first of all, we gotta say hi to Pepster. Pepper says hello. So we're gonna go over to here so I don't have to hold my camera and you guys can plan along with me. As soon as I finished and got in the car, I got a phone call that said that my person for my hair appointment can't do my hair today. So that has gotten changed to 3:15. And then I also got a text that says I do not need to make this call, so we're smushing that out. What did I mean? Take out what? Take out meat? Oh my Lord. Okay, so first off, so obviously my hair appointment was pushed back, so now I have time to, and yes, I did take out the meat. I have time to do this. So we're gonna work on the butler's pantry, which is a fancy word of saying the counter off the kitchen. We're gonna tackle that. We need to declutter living room, books especially. Let's see what else. Oh yes, laundry, always. We're gonna do Tyler's sheets and we're going to straighten his room. I think that's enough for now. I am gonna start making my list for tomorrow though. I need Mom. So let's get our handy dandy stencil out. Tomorrow is a big clean day. I also need to put in what we're gonna be, what the timed events are. Let's make that prettier. We can do better. We can do better. Let's make this pretty too. See this? Oh, that looks better. Let's figure out what we can do to mitigate all of this. Let's look through our die cuts here. I know that these are slightly larger than normal. Oh, we've got appointment stickers here. Let's go ahead and cover this all up with Mr. Handy Dandy Turtle. I love large die cuts for this reason alone. Now we just strategically place him. Oh my God, how cute. And then we have appointment. We'll use the short one. We'll put that there and then put hair. Ta-da! Works for me. We're gonna make a cleaning spread for over here. Put our timed events here. I know I'm working ahead a little bit, but sometimes when you're in the groove, it's probably time to put some stickers down. By the way, if you're wondering about this stencil, I'll put a little video up in the corner. You can see how I did it, making a stencil using my Cricut. You can also do it by cutting your own acetate from a kit. Yay, look at all that. If you hear Pepper's tippy toes, she is just a piece today. I want to say hi. Hi. Yes. Just can't get enough. right? Love you, girl. All right, well, let's get started on some of these. I have a few minutes. Check. Cleaned off. Check. Check mark. Well, the sad part is I'm gonna need to work. I don't know if this is the sad part, but I need to go ahead and work on project 4 for KRODesigns. So I might show you a sneak peek at the end. What do you think? Now I just gotta figure out what to make. Just finished taking the pictures and here is the finished project. It is now 10 to 3. I need to get ready to go to my hair appointment. I gotta leave in 5. Get those roots done. Well, I feel less old. She did a good job. And so ends the day. I'm back at home. I just had dinner. It is 8 o'clock. My watch is having low power and I think I am too. I'll do one last planner check, although I don't feel like I did anything. The day sure was busy. Project 4 is done. Edit pics for part 3 was done. I'm going to do this while we're watching the All-Star game, which is the Home Run Derby, which is tonight. And that is all I'm gonna do. And that is enough for the very busy, because my hair appointment was 4 hours. And that's a wrap on my wonderful day. Thanks so much for joining me. See how my planner just isn't anything super fancy, but it does allow me to get structure out of the chaos and just work with me as I move along through my day. Let me know how your planner is working for you, not against you, in the comments below. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.